So I'm a pretty seasoned PC building veteran, or I would at least consider myself one, but I have never built a computer in a video game. So today, I'm gonna be playing PC Building Simulator for the very first time. I've never played this game, I just bought it today. Of course I've been aware of it, it's been out for a while now. I know Jay did a video of him playing it when it first came out. And the reason I've decided that now is the perfect time for me to get my feet wet with simulated PC building is because earlier this week on Awesome Hardware, one of Paul's stories was about this game coming to Nintendo Switch. And it just reminded me of this game's existence and how I've never played it. And after building dozens, if not hundreds of computers over the years, I feel like it's only right for me to try my hand at building a PC in a video game. I don't know how that logic makes sense, but we're gonna play this stupid game.
So I just want to make sure we're on the same page with the product messaging, since you'll be taking over while Kyle's out of town on another vacation.
No problem. I make it good for you, Joshy Poo.
Right. So at first glance, the Ion Plus seems like your typical power supply, but in fact,
I know. It has a 0 RPM fan. I thought Kyle was the only one with 0 fan.
technically that means it runs quiet, but you're not wrong though.
Ultra flex cable for easy routing. That's no good. Cables need to be stiff like a dictator regime.
Please do not say that in the video.
Japanese capacitor? How much they charge you? I get you Chinese capacitor, half prime.
That would definitely cheapen the product.
Exactly! Glad we on the same page now. Okay, thank you, bye-bye. Dictator regime.
Fractal Design delivers with the Ion Plus power supply. Click on the link below to learn more. Alright, so we're in the menu screen here. We've got some rockin' tunes to go along with our PC building experience, and we've got a computer here. By the way, all the parts in this game are apparently real components that you can actually buy. This looks like a familiar case. Looks like a Corsair, one of the Corsair, maybe a 280X or something. I mean, don't quote me on any of this stuff. It looks a little bit different when it's 3D rendered, but you can see here we've got a Radeon GPU, and I don't know if that's a Radeon Tech logo. Some sort of low-profile cooler here, but let's not focus too much on the menu. Look, there's a career. You can have a career in PC building in this game. It's probably a much more respectable career than the one that I've made doing the same thing. But that sounds like too much commitment. So they've got a how to build a PC tutorial here that probably tells you not just how to build a PC, but how to actually play the game. I'm pretty sure it's fairly straightforward, so I'm gonna skip that for now. Let's do free build, all right? Oh, look at Razor's behind. So you can select a workshop, but you gotta unlock the Razor one. Get off your high horse, Razor. Look at us. We're an unlockable. Fine, I'll go to the way less cool, unbranded workshop. Hey, at least we're not a bunch of Razor shills in here. All right, so looks like I've got an NZXT S340 right here, and oh, that's a nice little room that we've got. What a nerd I am. Okay, let's go. What's over here? Oh, look at this, nice little hallway. I like how they have this set up. There's a door here. Can't go in the door. What, am I just locked in here forever? What is this, some kind of PC building purgatory? I'm cool with that. All right, so I think we can pick one of these cases. Ooh, this is a nice one too. Radeon Tech pegging. All right, remove case part. You just hold it down and that removes, or you're getting ready to remove the side panel. Ooh, look at that. Hold down the thumb screws and they instantly come undone. Case manufacturers, take notes, all right? I'm sick and tired of having to use a screwdriver for my thumb screws. Even my thumbs, it's getting old. I just want to be able to click on them in real life and have them disappear. Is that too much to ask? So we've got a remove case part here. Okay, oh, we remove case part drive bay. Yeah, get rid of that. Okay, that looks good. Oh, nice, you can sort of rotate it around. Beautiful. Let's install. Ooh, this is already exciting. Motherboards. Why not just go for like the most balls to the wall system, right? Which would probably be up here. Asus ROG Maximus 10 formula on Z370. Is there no Z390? Are we not there yet? Z390. Oh, they do have Z390. That's lovely. Do they have X570 though? No, I wouldn't expect them to really, but maybe X470? Ha! GG. I'm just gonna go X470. Asus Prime X470 Pro. All right, hold it down. Oh, I gotta install standoffs. What a crappy case. Standoffs aren't pre-installed. What is this? And boom, motherboard installed. Okay, open CPU handle. Oh, look at that. Nice, oh yeah, I can zoom. That's better. Oh, look at this. Get the B-roll angles, Kyle. Ooh, yeah. CPU. Let's go with the most badass one they have, which is probably the 2700X. Obviously, they wouldn't have Ryzen 3000 if they don't have X570 boards. Install. Oh yeah, hold it down. Boom, lever, boom. Oh, That felt good. Oh, that's kind of nice. It gives you your retail value up here with the parts that you've selected, so you can kind of see what you have installed so far. All right, now let's go for some memories. Not the kind you're thinking. We want some fast memory for Ryzen. 3600, yeah, but that's friggin' hideous. Jeez, this is just like real life. I was doing this earlier today. This doesn't even feel like a game. This feels like work. We got some RGB action in here as well. They got the Trident Z RGBs, baby. Them my fave. All right, let's go with those. Boom. Oh. Gotta open memory, open the clip, nice. I like the attention to detail here. All right, now let's install these sticks. Here we go. And I like the little descriptions that they provide too as you're going about. RAM is like the short-term memory of the PC. It's comparatively small, but much quicker to access than a hard disk. I like that. I like how it's educational. I mean, obviously it's already educational in the fact that it's teaching you how to build a PC and where parts go. But the fact that it gives little descriptions along the way of what each part does creates a more comprehensive and educational experience, and I like that. And wing, look at that. Ho, ho, ho. What were those? Were those 8 gigs? Okay, so we got 32 gigs of DDR4 in here. Booyah! Look at that, more B-roll shots. Shall we get a cooler up in this biznitch? We gotta go liquid cooling, obviously. Oh, I just noticed custom water cooling's over here. Yeah, why not? It's so much quicker and cheaper in the game. Okay, good. I'm glad there aren't 1,000 options because I would literally spend all day picking out stupid custom water cooling parts. All right, booyah. Look at that. Wait, is this right? Oh yeah, I gotta screw them in now. Music, 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 music. Why don't we go to reservoirs? This big boy. Yeah, let's go with this guy. Oh yeah, boom. And you know if the system leaks, doesn't matter. Okay, can we get a longer, it'd be cool if we got a longer reservoir tube. I think that's the tallest one though, huh? Oh, RGB, unmount this antiquated piece of crap. Sorry, buddy. You were top of your class at one point, but now RGB gods have kicked you to the curb. Yeah, it's my boy. Get in there. All right, CPU blocks. Ooh, the nickel, how does the nickel look? That's actually one of the other really great things about this simulator is that you can preview what a build's gonna look like without actually having to even have the parts. Yeah, I like that. I like that! It still has the Intel bracket on it. My suspension of disbelief has been shattered. Let's just see what it looks like really quick with black. Catchy music, yeah, I love it. Do I like the black better? I like how it makes the EK logo pop. Yeah, I think I like that. We do need storage. Give me the SSDs. Oh yeah, let's just do this XPG right here. Open drive bay, install. Yep, yoink. Okay, it's in there. It's time for a graphics card. All right, let's see. Custom water cooling, water-cooled GPUs. Okay, we got some 10 series, 1080 Ti, nice. Got some Vega cards, all right. Do we have any RTX cards in here? There is an RTX 2080 Ti, Extreme Water Force. It's the only RTX card, at least that's custom water-cooled. Let's see what they have as far as regular parts go. Okay, they got a lot more options that are just air-cooled here. I think we gotta go full water-cooled, man. We gotta commit. Boom. Can we do vertical mounting? Is that possible? That'd be really cool if we could. This case doesn't support it though. Hardy har. Whatever, that still looks pretty badass. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is getting to be a very costly build. We're already at over $4,000. Oh, hold on. I forgot to screw these guys in. Come on, little guys. Don't want our GPU falling out. There we go. Okay, we need a power supply. I mean, we don't need anything crazy. We don't need 1,600 watts, that's for sure. Doesn't matter. None of this matters. Let's just go with the most crazy 1,600 watt power supply. Like, being reasonable is not what this game's about. All right, so I think we've got all of our main components installed, so we can move on to some cable management. Let's wire this stuff up. Click on the connector of the component. Aha, and then click on the connector of the power supply, and then boom. Wait, what is that? Why did it route the cable through this grommet and not up top here? Is there a way to control that? Doesn't look the best. I don't want to stamp my name on this build. Doesn't look the best, but I don't think we can change it much. Let's just move on. 24 pin, ba-boom, boom. Boom. Oh, it's so much easier. Do we get any cable combs? We need some trainers in here. These cables are off the fritz. And we've got connected the cable. Oh, front panel connectors. You've never been easier. Thank you. Thank you, PC Building Simulator. Oh, peripherals, of course. Yoink, AC, boom. Super cool. We are getting close. Wait, hold on. Maybe there is a way to route the cables better, because look at this. Look at the cable coming from our, what is this, the radiator fan? It's just drooping like whoop, right in front, not going behind the motherboard tray at all. I just don't know how. All right, what if I go back here? Click, and then, Nope, it still routes it. Still routes it ugly. It's not my fault. Cable management sucks. It's not my fault. All right, I'm ready for some tubes. Let's hit the pipe. Okay, it looks like you've got some options here. Can we get, okay, clear rigid tube, black rigid pipe, nickel rigid pipe. Let's do some nickel, baby. And these fittings got to go. All right, we've got some options here from EK. Might as well go with black nickel. Connect water-cooled GPU. Oh, wow. Okay, drag to bend the pipes. Really? How's that gonna work? Like, just like, oh my God, wow. And there's a grid and everything? Crazy. Whoa, dude. Whoa. If only. Okay, so then can I move it more like that? Yeah, you can do whatever the hell you want. It's a video game. How am I so bad at this? Well, yep, that's it right there. That's the best bend ever. Ma, we're out of tubing. Whoa, that's gotta be some serious kinkage right there. Holy moly. I'm gonna redo this one. I'm gonna go from here to here. And then I'm gonna do one from here, the CPU. Let's go to the res. Stretch it out. No, that does not look good. I'm terrible at this. Oh, that looks a little more decent. This can go up a little bit. Oh, I could spend so much time in this. This is terrible. Ho, ho, ho. There it is. There it is. Thank you for the 90-degree indicator right there. Boom. Go from here to here. Oh, look at that. I am a god. Moving on to the last tube. Ah, yikes. Gotta work this out here. Give me that right angle. This can go down. Yeah, okay. Wait, why is it red? Wait, is this fitting going into the fan? Look at this. It's literally clipping the fan. It's not good. How is that possible? Oh, it's because this top dude. You need to come out a little more, man. I can fix this. There we go. Oh, what the hell? There. Now this can come out. That don't look bad. Although, now I want to fix this guy. This pipe over here is bothering me because it's not quite as straight as the others. It's a bit more diag. Now that I kind of have a feel for how this works. Oh, hold on. You should be straight. Be straight. Boom. Oh, that looks kind of weird, a little funky, but I kind of like it. Bruh, I'm doing it. I'm locking it in. Oh, wait. Do I have to put the caps on here? The plugs are already in. Oh, thank God. That's right. I'm only supposed to forget those in real life. Fill me up. Buttercup, how do you fill the loop? Install coolant. Coolant! No risk of clogging here, so have at it, boys. Let's do some green clear UV fluid, because that looks terrible, and I would never do that in real life. No, that's not necessarily true. All right, fluid's in there, and we can't see the liquid flowing through the tubes because they're nickel plated. I probably should have thought of that. I'm gonna do black instead. Black opaque coolant. Oh, empty reservoir? There we go. Install black coolant lives matter. Filled. Yeah. That looks way more badass. Wait. Oh, look at this. Look at this pipe. It's not straight at all. Oh, that means I have to redo the whole. Why can't I just edit the pipe? Can't I just edit it? Oh, this pipe's all messed up too. Damn it. Well, you know what? Screw it. I'm not redoing those because it takes too much time. I've gotten spoiled. I've gotten spoiled by PC Building Simulator. This is my build. I think it's done. Wait, incomplete case. Well, obviously, you're not supposed to put the side panel on before your first boot. It's bad luck. Everyone knows this. Power, look at that. Hey, and we got a boot. It booted successfully. That's so cool. Can you configure the RGB? That's the most important question in this whole thing. Oh, you know what? I think I saw something. Wait, hold on. Power down. USB drive for OS and program installation. Okay, let's just try this. Boom. Okay, now power on. Oh, and we're into the operating system. And if I click this, oh, this is so cool. Add, remove programs, lighting, yeah. Oh, so realistic. You even got to restart the system for the changes to take effect. And I like that. And lighting's installed after our reboot. Can I just make it all RGB-ish? Select all lights, yes. Rainbow, rainbow. Apply, and back. Oh, that is glorious. Ho, ho, ho. Oh my God, I'm in love. This has been PC Building Simulator. Thank you very much for watching this video and bearing with me and all of my noobness. This was a lot of fun. Let me know if you want me to do more of this or I'll never touch this again. If this was a terrible video, let me know down below. Toss a like on the video if you enjoyed it though. Get subscribed for more tech stuff coming at you really soon. I'm gonna game on this right now. I'm gonna game on this. Can you game on the computer that you built in the game? No, you can't. My dreams are crushed. Wait, are you hearing this music right now?
PC is my vision.
It's a PC building song.
Aptitude disk utilities. Construct this beast to the best of my abilities. Buy off the shelf, yo, I roll my own. Customized specs are the ultimate goal. Liquid cool from the top to the floor. Gotta keep